Hey, it's Mr. Malte. We're looking at just lining up images on this slide. So when you have images on a page, we want to make them so that they are lined up in some kind of grid formation, whether it's this 3x3 kind of grid where you kind of look like that, or whether it's, oh, see how you can break it up like this one over here. Some of it's text, but you're still using that grid idea, or this one down here, large one, and then 3 smaller ones, or any of these layouts like this. As long as you have some kind of grid formation, that's what you want for your images. So I have jumbled up some images for you and just need you to sort them out. All right, so let's start over here, and we're just gonna drag and we can just eyeball it for now. This one I made a little bit bigger just to mess you up. So fun fact, if you drag from the opposite corners, it zooms into that corner. If you hold down Control, it'll go to the center. So it goes from the center out, as opposed to the corner. So if you've lined up a corner, then you can grab the edge and drag in. And that's gonna be a little bit easier. Oops, to resize. Make sure it's the same size. Oh, look at all those nice line-up lines. So let's just see. I'm going to click and hold. Okay, that's lined up with that. Click and hold. Aha! Oh my gosh, look at that. So the red line tells me that it's centered, and then the little blue lines tell me that they are the right distance away. Or if they're not, it'll smoosh it just a little bit. Not smooch it. It'll just get it out of the way a little bit. Okay, now this one, we're going to have to actually crop this one. You're not going to find an image that's this tall and skinny. So I'm going to try to get it to be about the same distance. And then I'm going to click twice and drag from the inside to crop it. One thing that's cool when you crop is if you click twice again, you can use your arrow keys to pinpoint the spot that you want. Just like that. Remember, if you ever want to move multiple shapes, practice this. You can click by holding down Control, and then you can move all of your shapes around. Or if you've selected too many things, like you've accidentally selected the border, you can hold down Control to deselect things. And remember, your arrow keys will move it a whole bunch, but Shift and arrow keys will move it 1 pixel. See how nicely lined up that is? Oh my gosh! Awesome. Okay, now this one's going to be pretty easy. Not a lot of options. Boop. Okay. Hold down Shift. Shoop. All right. Now this one, I think that's a good distance. We're going to look mostly at red lines for this one. Lined up. Lined up. Ah! Beauty. Now again, I'm going to hold down the Control. Oh, you know what? Hold down Control. This one, it's not. There we go. That was a little bit better. It wasn't lined up. That way. Holding down Control. Click, click, click. And I'm moving, moving, moving. I just want to see if it could be a little bit bigger. I think we're lined up. If I hold down my, there we go. I'm holding down my mouse now that all 4 are selected, and it's going to do that too. So just practice that Control thing. It's really valuable to make groups. Holding down Control, 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 and click. And then when I hold my mouse, it's showing me that that's lined up. It's showing me that it's not lined up and down though. Ooh, look at that. Now it is. So that's perfectly in the center. So good luck. Try it on your own. Try to make them line up like mine.